Alright, so this is my Frigidaire Gallery freezer. It's an upright freezer. It has served us a long time. We've had it probably, geez, I'm going to say 8-10 years or something like that. It's the model number GLFH 2158HBA. Anyway, this sucker has been pretty good, except I'm getting this code. So to fix that code, I've been kind of doing this. It kind of kicks out, kicks back in. Anyway, it's a bit of a problem with these things. So I had a repair guy come and have a look at the relay in the back, and determined that well, no, it's not the relay. It's most likely the control panel, which is in the door. So I'm just going to show how to replace that. Okay. Alright, so basically what you do is and I mean I cheated, I found it on YouTube as well, but I just took a little bit of a putty knife here, and you got to pry up on the end. I've already pre-pried this one, just for the sake of making this video, but basically you got to pry underneath after you unplug the power, of course, and it's got some tabs that are single use. So these tabs here basically push in, and I'll show you after how they go in, but they push into the door, and to take this control panel off, you've got to break the tabs. So this is actually one that I got online. I was traveling this week. I'm from Canada, but I was traveling to the US, and got it shipped to our office down there, picked it up, and kind of beat waiting 3 weeks to get a new one shipped up here. But anyway, so I'm just going to continue on with the removal of this one. Alright, so power's off. Like I said, pry underneath. I've already done it, but just for the action, pry underneath. Here I'm using just a little bit of a pry bar. You might want to put tape on to protect your fridge. But after you break the tabs, this basically just pulls away. See? You can see how the tabs here are all broken on both sides. Ta-da! There's what you get on the inside. No problem. So I've got the new one here. Just gonna line it up. Should just push right in. Looks like when I was ordering it, this piece has been updated a couple times over the course of the evolution of this freezer. Just 1 second, I'm gonna have to get my other hand using here. Okay, so I pushed in place. All of the tabs have caught. It's all nicely seated in here. Not loose. This side's a little loose. Give it a little bit of love. Alright. So, I'm just going to plug her in. And hopefully we're back in action. Zero F. I think that's a good sign. Temp display minus 17 Celsius. Well, we're like most every other country where we use Celsius, so we use that, and I think we're in business. Thanks for watching.